In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable spell check as you type in Microsoft Word. This can be especially useful if you find the constant spell check suggestions distracting while you're trying to get your ideas down on paper. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open the specific Microsoft Word document where you'd like to make this change. If you don't have a document open yet, simply launch Microsoft Word and pick any file you're currently working on or start a new document. Once your document is open, look towards the upper left corner of your screen. You're going to click on the File tab. This will pull up a menu filled with different options related to your document and settings. From this menu, you're going to click on Options, which is usually found towards the bottom of the list. Selecting Options will open up the Word Options dialog box, which is where we'll be making our change. Now, within the Word Options box, locate the section labeled Proofing. You'll find that it houses a variety of settings related to how Word checks your work for grammar and spelling errors as you type. Since we're specifically focusing on turning off the automatic spell check, locate the box labeled Check Spelling as you type. At the moment, you'll likely see a check mark inside this box, indicating that this feature is currently active. To disable the feature, you'll simply uncheck this box. Removing this check mark tells Word that you no longer want it to highlight spelling errors automatically as you type. This setting will allow you to focus more on your content without the interruptions of red squiggly lines under words you may intentionally want to leave as is, such as technical jargon, names, or creatively styled spellings. Once you've unchecked Check Spelling as you type, you're going to click the OK button at the bottom of this dialog box. This saves your settings and closes the Word Options menu. And just like that, you're done. Spell check will no longer be active as you type, giving you more freedom to write without distractions. Of course, remember that this setting only applies to the current document unless you change your default settings for all documents. If you ever want to re-enable spell check, you can easily follow the same steps and simply recheck the box. Thanks for joining me today, and make sure you like and subscribe for more helpful Microsoft Word tips and tricks.